Hi, updates. My boba dough is looking like doctored. Doctored. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You guys see this? Look at this. It's snowing today and I am bored, so I decided to make some bobas from scratch. I got this recipe from Inga. Got lamb, and the recipe seems pretty legit. Also, for those of you who don't know, I am Taiwanese, so now I have all these pressure that I have to make it perfect because I am Taiwanese. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so for the bobas, you will need 45 grams of tapioca flours, 25 grams of brown sugar, and I recommend getting the Taiwanese brown sugar just because it's the real shit. 30 millimeters or 2 tablespoons of water to start. I'm now in my kitchen. Wish me luck.
Alright, so first we are going to combine brown sugar and water in a saucepan and heat until they are combined. And then remove from heat. Add 1 tablespoon, only 1 tablespoon of the tapioca starch and keep stirring. Once the starch is dissolved, return to heat and cook until slightly thickened. This is where I f***ed up. I just added all the starch into the brown sugar mix. I did not put it back on heat, and I think that's why the dough texture came out looking like dry turd.
Dry turd.
Well, hopefully you follow the right instruction and heat them up till they are slightly thickened. So once that's done, remove the pan from heat and add in rest of your tapioca starch. Mix it until roughly combined. Inga has a little note on it. It says it will be lumpy, and that is okay. After that, put a little tapioca flour on your work surface. Continuously work the dough until smooth and round. Roll the dough out into a log shape and cut into 3 sections. Keep the other 2 sections wrapped while working on the first. So for the first one, you are going to roll the dough out until about 0.5 to 0.6 inch thick and cut into smaller individual pieces. Roll each piece into a bowl shape and set aside in a bowl with some tapioca flour that will prevent them from sticking to each other, and repeat the process till you are done with all the dough. Once you're done with all the dough, you are going to cook boba in boiling water. Once all of them flow to the surface, lower your heat to low and keep cooking for 15 minutes. Then turn off heat and cover with lid. Let the boba sit for another 10 to 15 minutes. Once that's done, drain your boba and rinse with cold iced water. Then you can start making your brown sugar sauce. You are going to melt 50 grams of brown sugar, combine it with 40 grams of water, and then add in the bobas. Cook until the syrup has thickened. Then comes the fun part. You are going to combine everything and make it pretty. Grab a clear cup, pour in your bobas, and what you're going to do is you're going to tilt the cup slightly and then do a little swirl so the cup get coated by the brown sugar, and that's what's going to give that tiger print. So once that's done, put in some ice cubes if you want. If not, you can just pour in milk or milk tea, or if you like coffee, you can pour in coffee. Literally anything you want, but I'm gonna go with the classic, just milk and ice. And that's it. That's my brown sugar boba from scratch.
Alright, I am done finally after I don't know, 2 hours of making it. This is it. This is my brown sugar boba milk. Alright, I'm gonna dive in now. Ooh. Look at this. Wow. Oh, see that? Okay, wait, hold up. Brown sugar. Oh my god. It's like, whew. Bruh, this is gonna be so sweet, but so good. I really should have gotten boba straw for this, but oh well, here we go. So good. Don't drink this every day, okay? Drink it once a month, because this is just straight up diabetes in a cup. But it's so good. So happy right now. Gone! Oh my god, it was so good. That was my making of bobas from scratch. I want to say thank you to Inga for coming up with such an amazing recipe. It was honestly really easy to follow. My brain just farted for like a second. That's why I missed the instruction. But all in all, it was a great recipe. Definitely check it out. Link down in the description box. I stored the rest of my uncooked bobas in the freezer, and I think you can do that and it will probably last for like a month, I think. Listen to me, Google it, alright? Ooh, and before you go, comment below your favorite boba place in New York City. I would love to know which one is your favorite and why. And finally, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification, and what's the last one? Ooh, and like this video. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in 2 weeks. Bye!